Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is apple and blackberry turnover, or apple and blackberry pasty if you prefer. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. Anyway, on with the cooking. First thing we do is peel, core and chop the apples and place in a suitably sized saucepan. Next we add 2 tablespoons of caster sugar and 3 tablespoons of water to the saucepan and place onto the heat. Cook the apples until they just start to soften. That should take 3 or 4 minutes. And when this is achieved, it's time to add in the star of the show, the blackberries. Then continue to cook for a further 3 or 4 minutes. Then you can add the corn flour slurry. After you've added the corn flour, cook for another minute, then remove from the heat and allow it to cool completely. And when the filling is completely cool, it's time to make the turnovers. To do this, take the sheet of puff pastry and cut it into 4 equally sized pieces. And take each piece of pastry, place a generous quantity of the filling at one end, fold over the remaining pastry and seal the edges as you see here. And when this is done, simply repeat with the other 3 pieces of pastry. When all 4 turnovers are made, place on an oven-proof tray, brush with milk and sprinkle with sugar. Next, pierce the hole in the top of each of the turnovers to let the steam out when cooking. Then it's off to a preheated 180 degree C oven for 35 minutes. How hard can that be? And there you have it, 4 apple and blackberry turnovers. And I can tell you the taste is just as good as they looked. Hope you liked this video. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully see you soon again in the next one. Bye for now.